Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps crashing or freezing on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is clear the app cache and data. Depending on which app you use, you can go over into settings and then you can just simply scroll down until you see app management. Click on app list, and here I'll choose an app that can crash. I'm going for camera. What are we gonna do here is click on storage and cache and click on clear storage. Now, as you guys can see, app size 0, 0, 0, and 0, so we cleaned the entire app. And as you guys can see, the user data is back to 12 and cache is back, so we can clear it again. And after cleaning it, what are we gonna do is you can also update the app. So for me, it's a system app, so I cannot do that. But if you have another app from Play Store, you can update it after you click on your avatar, go to manage apps and device, and here you will have your updates. So we're gonna click update all here, and what you guys want to do next is, as a last resort, update your software. So we're gonna go to settings and open up the INFINIX Note 60 Pro right at the top, and we're gonna click check for updates for the XOS. Now, as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.